And we're live. There's another strategy I can teach you here in a second. Wait.
Boda. You are such a little bitch. Like, what the fuck?
Dude, I'm magic.
There's another story I can teach you. Oh, wait. Fuck. You're the biggest puta of them all.
What was that? First cast? Yeah. Telling you what I was going to say before is that you can do like this. So like you can go down that way and I can go this way, but like bass, they like to cruise the banks a lot. So what you can do is instead of casting straight out, you can cast like along the bank. Because also they're also going to be looking for food, smaller fish along the bank rather than right in the middle of the pond.
Okay.
Not saying you won't catch one casting straight out, I mean, but it's like anything. There's techniques, there's ideas, there's all kinds of stuff. You know?
Yeah.
But it never hurts to try new things, like this. Oh, you came off.
It was like yellow, right?
Yeah, you came off though. Shit. I want to catch a larger one. The second one I had was pretty big.
What was that?
The second one?
No, the one you got.
That was a bass.
That was a bass?
They're just white. They're just, okay.
That looked really weird.
It was white. Wait. Oh boy, this is a big one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I see that, yeah.
Okay.
The other one looked kind of different, I don't know.
Woo!
Nice.
Nice. Oh, now it's really starting to rain. Holy shit. I didn't think it was supposed to rain today. But damn, yeah. Not a bad one, right?
Damn.
Okay, well, back you go. Wait a second, there's one coming this way. I can see the ripples. Oh yeah. Here, you want a reel?
No, it's fine.
Did you hear me though?
Yeah.
Oh, this one's fat. He's small, but he's heavy. Might be like a female pregnant or something. Huh?
You see it?
Like here. Feel this.
What?
Feel how heavy it is.
What?
Oh, sense.
Okay.
And even right there, that's probably good. So tomorrow, we meeting up at 9 a.m., right? To work on some communications?
Yeah, right.
Because I just love getting up in the morning. That early, too. Oh, nice. Oh, God. Oh, shit. Hey, well, there you go, dude.
Fuck yeah.
Don't pick it up with the line. Pick it up with his mouth.
gonna bite me.
No, he won't. Just pinch it hard. He'll wiggle. Just like hold it hard. Dude, nice. That one's pretty good. That's like a 3. Well, 2.5.
Fuck yes.
Nice. Dude, I was telling you there was one right there. Dude, and now with my upload speeds at the new house, I can get this video on like really quick.
I can't get it. Taking a.
Yeah, you just gotta press it pretty hard. You got it. Like you just gotta like.
Oh.
I think you swallowed your bait though.
Huh?
I think you swallowed your worm.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah, and you almost stepped on the dead raccoon.
I know. I want to take a picture of this tonight.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, my first official fish.
By yourself.
By
the
myself.
big, yeah. And that one's pretty big. And we got it on film too. Because
we
like I was
did?
recording it.
Oh shit.
Yeah. You want me to take a picture, or
Huh?
you want me to take a picture of you?
Oh sure.
Okay. That's a good one.
Belly flop. Like right here.
Big or small or medium?
It was about medium size.
I've caught a 4 out of here before. So there's stuff.
Wait, what did I get?
Yep. Hey, you got the one that you were looking for. It's like a hunt. Michael on the hunt. Nice.
La putita. Chiquitita.
I mean, shit, sometimes I go out for like an hour.
Huh?
Sometimes I go out for like an hour and I'll be doing this for an hour and not catch anything. I get pretty bored. Especially when like, I'm so spoiled from moments like this.
For moments like that.
Whoa! Yes.
Hey, especially when I'm so spoiled for moments like that, like this.
Exactly.
Oh my god, we're so dude, we're like
Hey!
putas.
Dude, chill out.
Are you kidding me? Like the timing though.
On everything we've been saying all day.
Fuck.
Yeah, dude, we're pretty spoiled out here, that's for sure. I mean, oh, oh, fuck. Look.
What happened?
Fuck. It felt exactly like a fucking fish. Fuck. That failure. Epic fail.